Whoa!
Sammy, why do you go there?
I was over there, but now I don't.
Screechers. I'm not. Go away, bud. Holy crap.
I hate this one. I'm covering my. Don't you like the colors though? Yeah. You have to like the colors. Because there's so many colors. You don't have to. Yeah, you have to, but because that costs a lot of money to buy those things. It does. Those things are.
Have you seen Henry?
No.
Actually, they do, Joseph. Fireworks do have a chance of lighting stuff on fire.
So what?
Meredith, look. I'm catching it on my phone.
Oh my God. That's
Tired.
Hey! What's up? Oh yeah, that's your car. Yeah, also it's
Because that's after they light them.
yeah. Yeah. Why do you think they're called fireworks?
Huh?
Why do you think they're called fireworks?
Yeah, they're called fireworks because they have a chance of lighting crap on fire.
Ooh, I like those things.
The screechers!
What?
I call them screechers because they make a little screech.
So he helps out with that.
Ned, you wanna know why the firemen are here?
Yep.
In case something does light on fire. What?
Yeah.
Did you know one year something?
I'm not sure this is done safely.
Oh, did you know one year something actually caught on fire?
Oh, when?
I don't remember it. It was before I was born. It's a story that I've heard, but that wasn't when I was born.
So dangerous. That would be so very dangerous.
I think it was like a few years before I was born.
That would be so have a fire truck.
That's why they invite people here.
What?
The fire department is here in case something lights on fire again.
And those things are expensive, so you should be thanking them for doing that, because those things are expensive. I wonder what...
Whoa.
This is so pretty. It's so pretty. But you know what? Because I hate the noise. But it's so dangerous to get close to.
Yeah, that is a good point. You might fall back.
Yeah, because those have actually almost fell back.
Bro, okay, I was almost watching it and I almost fell off it. I wasn't wearing one of the bracelets, Meredith.
Dave, what? We're over there.
So, I'm going to start filming you. I'm going to start filming you.
There were fireworks over there.
I know there were. actually filming him.
They're going higher than.
No, they're not.
They're going not even that high. Are you not going that? It's actually impossible.
Georgia, the moon is in outer space. These are just like these are
close to us.
Yeah.
These are close to us, which is dangerous. I'm waving the colors of the earth. But I didn't hit it. Yeah, I like that.
Meredith, what would you do if I told you that I killed a gopher today? But with my quad.
Loud ASMR. Some people kill gophers on purpose.
ASMR period. I'm getting this on camera. What? Oh girl, I'm getting all of this on camera. I started filming your brother. Damn, it's right down here.
They're so pretty. Because they seem quiet and they look. They're so
Girl,
pretty.
Georgia, that's not how they work. You light them on fire.
Yeah, you wait them on fire. They're so pretty.
But Georgia, they're called fireworks because you have to, for them to work, you have to light them on fire. Not light them on fire so they work.
They're so pretty.
This has been 6 minutes.
Gabby, be quiet, be nice.
Guys, for most of us, I started filming him.
That's just cool.
Sir,
My camera roll is already filled to a limit.
oh, I barely have anything in my camera.
It's gonna be like your thing is way too overfilled.
Bang, 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 bang.